Did you know that nearly 70% of smartphone users have lost precious photos due to phone loss, damage, or theft? It's a heart-stopping experience losing those irreplaceable memories. This is why backing up your photo library is non-negotiable. Think of it as an insurance policy for your digital life. In this digital age, our photos and videos are more than just files. They're fragments of our lives, captured in pixels. Losing them can feel like losing a part of ourselves. But fear not. There's a clever and free way to safeguard your memories using the power of multiple cloud storage accounts. We'll be focusing on Google Drive for this guide, mainly because of its generous free storage option, but the principle applies to other services too. This method might sound a bit unorthodox, but trust me, it's a lifesaver, especially if you're on a budget. We'll walk you through each step, from creating multiple Gmail accounts to organizing your files like a pro. By the end, you'll be a cloud storage ninja, ready to outsmart the digital gremlins that love to gobble up our precious photos. Here's the trick. Instead of relying on a single account with limited storage, we'll create multiple free Google accounts. Each Gmail account comes with 15 gigabytes of free storage on Google Drive. That's a decent chunk of space for your photos and videos. Think of it like having multiple external hard drives, each with its own dedicated space. But Kyle, you might say, won't managing multiple accounts be a nightmare? Don't worry, we've got you covered. We'll discuss some simple yet effective ways to keep track of your accounts, making sure you're never locked out of your own digital kingdom. Now you might be wondering about the legality of this. It's perfectly fine. Creating multiple free accounts for personal use is within Google's terms of service. The key is to avoid using these accounts for any illegal activities, like spamming or phishing. Stick to backing up your precious memories and you're golden. Alright, let's get down to business. Here's your step-by-step guide to creating Gmail accounts and setting up your free Google Drive storage empire. First, gather your supplies. You'll need a valid email address, a phone number that can receive SMS verification codes, and a few minutes of your time. Next, create your first Gmail account. Head over to the Gmail sign-up page and fill out the required information. Choose a strong, unique password that you can remember. Or better yet, store it securely in a password manager. Then, verify your account. Google will likely ask you to verify your account via SMS. Enter the code they send to your phone number. Congratulations, you now have a Gmail account and 15 gigabytes of free Google Drive storage. You can access it at drive.google.com. To create additional accounts, simply repeat the process, making sure to use a different email address and phone number for each account. Remember, you'll need unique email addresses and phone numbers for each account. If you run into issues with age restrictions or account creation limits, we'll discuss some workarounds in the next section. For now, focus on creating as many accounts as you need to accommodate your photo and video library. Now that you're the proud owner of multiple Google Drive accounts, it's time to talk organization. It's easy to get lost in the cloud if you're not careful. Here are a few tips to keep your digital empire running smoothly. First, create a simple spreadsheet to track your accounts. Include columns for the email address, password, and the type of content stored in each Drive account, like family photos 2018 to 2020. Next, consider using a password manager to securely store your login credentials. This will save you from the headache of remembering multiple passwords. Finally, once you've created your accounts, organize your photos and videos into folders within each Drive. This will make it easier to find what you're looking for later on. By following these simple tips, you'll be able to navigate your cloud storage kingdom with ease. Remember, the key is to stay organized from the start. This will save you a lot of time and frustration down the road, especially as your digital photo album continues to grow.